Hello, I'm writing the question here. The question is given here. Which of the following parts of human body sweat glands are absent? Okay, sweat glands are absent here. The option option 1 has given scalp, option 2 has given armpits, option 3 here lips, option 4 here palms. Okay. The question is asking which of the following part of human body sweat glands are absent. You know, sweat glands are for secretion of sweat, and it cools our body and adjusts the body temperature during the high temperature or hot climate. Okay, and there are sweat glands are present almost all parts of the body except some parts. Here scalp has sweat gland. Armpit, option number 2 has given, it has also sweat glands. Lips, you know that lip is very prone to dry and it is very sensitive to any temperature, and lips do not have any sweat glands. So it is the first organ which becomes chapped or dry during winter or lack of fluid in the body. And palms also have sweat gland. So right answer is option 3 here, that is sweat lips. Okay, and this is all about the question and answer. Thank you for watching. Bye.